Hello dear friends, my name is Karneliuk and I'm author of the training network automation that we are happy to offer to you. When I was starting my journey in the network automation a couple of years ago, there was a problem to find something solid information which is together could explain the network automation concept, software, programming, working with the device. And it is still the problem of the industry. And the training, what we put inside of it, the experience of myself, a couple of my colleagues, across various industry, data center, service provider, enterprise networking, it doesn't actually really matter what the network it is. The approaches for the network automation are all time the same. And we put in the training the concepts such as network abstraction, modeling of the data, working with the YAML formats, working with the JSON, XML, YAML. Because if you just start looking particularly on these terms on the network in any search engine, you will see a lot of points that these are pure software development terms. And the network automation is about the software development. The goal or the main focus though is pure the networking. Therefore, in this training, we are providing the solid background of software development for the network engineers who has a background in any types of networking, as I said, but you will get the necessary skills to start able to develop your products, your skills, your ideas. And the tools that we provide for you is an Ansible, Bash and Python. So you'll be able to create something that shall allow you to spare the time to focus on different projects, because operational activities, standard changes taking a lot of time. I know it myself very well. And you'll be able to create the solutions using, as I said, Ansible, Python and Bash, using the netconf, using the restconf. All these terms, we are merging together, and you will get skills that are necessary for the jobs even today and obviously for the job of the future. Hope to see you in our training. Take care.